Welcome back to the channel, everyone. There's been a lot of stuff going on, or has been a lot of stuff going on these last few weeks. Sorry I haven't been uploading a lot. Thanks for all the new subscribers. I appreciate everybody, appreciate all the support. But if you guys can tell in the background, I don't really do a lot of recording in the house, but we are in a new house, and that's what I was talking about in the video when I did the top 5 mods for 6.7 Cummins. I said that I hope to hear some good news from something that I had going on in life, and it's a change for my family and I, and it happened. So we ended up moving back to the Upper Peninsula where I came from. So I'll show you guys around, just a little brief, little clip of what it looks like now. But right now I gotta go pick up the Jeep from my grandpa's house. He got a little aggravated that I dropped it off on his millions of acres. He needed that one little spot where I had the Jeep. So yeah, say goodbye to Axel. Say goodbye, Axel. Alrighty. Well, I got a garage again. That's super exciting. Right now it's packed with some of that stuff's not mine. Got a little bit of the stuff here. Didn't tell you guys I bought a 2020 Lamborghini. So that thing's got a 1450 horse. Yep. And then I got a quad here, quad there. Got some of the tools. I'm gonna build a workbench from that window to that corner up over here, so you guys can watch me do that here soon. We've actually only been here for a couple weeks now. It was pretty crazy and fast how it all happened. I got a job interview, and I said if I got the job, I brought enough clothes with me to work there for a week, and I was gonna go back and get the rest of my stuff. I didn't get all of it. I still have to get the dirt bikes and a lot of stuff from the house, some more tools, but I just got what I needed, my basic tools where I can still wrench on stuff. But just do a little quick walk around. That's our backyard, and that's our front yard over here. Got the camper here, got the truck, she's in there waving. I have not been taking very good care of this thing, honestly. I'm not gonna lie. I wash my truck all the time. I wash it a couple times a week, to be honest with you, and I haven't washed it once since I've been up here. Just been beating the crap out of it, I guess. But this is a little bit of the yard. We got stuff laying around everywhere. Stuff's been blowing around. It's been pretty cold up here for these last few nights, but obviously we'll spend most of our time in here and probably on the property. But like I said, right now we're gonna go get this Jeep, and I got a boat and a Blazer and another Dodge Ram I gotta go pick up that I accumulated some more stuff since last time you guys seen me. But a little bonfire pit right there. There's 3 acres here, so it's enough for me right now. But yeah, we're gonna go get this Jeep. All right, well, we're at the Jeep. Plan did not go well. I forgot that we ran the tire right off of the rim. My plan was to jump the starter because it was giving us issues starting last time, but tried putting some power to it and it's not doing nothing. It actually was smoking there for a second. So I think I'm gonna go get some spares, go find 2 wheels for it and bring a jack it up, put new tires on it, so that way I can at least roll it onto the trailer. I'm not really sure what we want to do with this thing now, to be honest with you. But anyway, that's what I'm gonna go do. But I think I might just go pick up the boat instead today, and we'll do this another day. I know my grandpa wants to get it out of here. Yeah, has close to a lot of acres over here, but he needed this exact spot, so that was from Chris did that. All right, we're gonna leave this thing alone for right now. We'll go get this boat probably. Might grab something to eat real fast. All right, well, the Jeep and the boat were a fail. Jeep, I went to go get the car hauler. I forgot my 2 5/16 hitch over here on the camper, and the Jeep's like probably like a half hour away, so I didn't feel like coming all the way back. Going out there, it was already getting kind of late, so I'm like, screw it, yeah, we'll just get the boat. And then both the tires on the trailer were flat on the boat. The air compressor, the nozzle was broken on that. Half my stuff's downstate still. So we just said screw it, went and played some cornhole, drank a couple beers, and came back, replaced the element in the thermostats in our hot water tank, and just kind of called it a night. So today I want to just probably try and get this riding mower going. For some reason, it's when I'm riding it, like sometimes you could ride it for 5 minutes, sometimes you can cut for 10 and 20 and 40. It all depends. It's just randomly shutting off, and I'm thinking it has something to do with the seat sensor. Well, it's too old to have a sensor, but a little pin right there, I think it's grounding out or shorting or something. So mess with this for a little bit, but probably just gonna do a little bit of yard cleanup today, and kind of just show you guys around a little bit. But it's gonna be kind of boring, I guess. Just I don't have all my stuff here yet, and I got a couple projects I want to get going. But like I was telling you guys earlier in the video, I want to build a bench from like here to that corner, probably down there, and then build some shelving units over there to store all the, you know, personal stuff for the house and kids and whatever. And yeah, I want to get this bench built, especially before the snow falls, so that way I can come in here and kind of get stuff going. I got everything scattered right now. Yeah, I guess while we're here, we'll tell you about these things. I'm sure you guys seen this in the video. This is my little brother's. We paid big bucks for that thing. I think it was about 10 bucks in gas we paid for it. A lot of money. Somebody actually stole this four-wheeler like twice, and it had all the plastics on it when it was downstate, and the cops ended up seeing a couple kids riding it without all the plastics on it, stopped them, and ended up running it and found out it was stolen. So it had it wasn't running when we got it, and I took the carb out, rebuilt the carb, put it in. It runs pretty good now. Probably gonna have to take the carb off again though, because my little brother left the fuel on, so it's probably just caked and gunk. We haven't rode it in a little bit. And this one, I think we paid $13,000 for that. I'm just kidding, we paid $1,300. Maybe it was 13,000. No, it's 1,300 for sure. Maybe 15,000. I don't know. No, it's 1,300. It runs pretty good. She fires right up. It's got a couple issues. Just we'll be working on this thing here soon. I gotta replace both of the four-wheel drive, the CV shafts on it. We gotta replace those. Yeah. I lied to you guys. I think I lied. Oh boy. She runs. I think the battery's actually dying in it. And the kids were in here messing around with it, so we'll throw that thing on the charger too. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get this thing going here so I can go cut the grass. The grass is like 3 feet tall. We'll go cut all that. Let me get this thing going, and we'll see how it runs after. Maybe we can get her going, maybe we can't. I don't know. pick up his ride mower. I got too much stuff to do to work on it right this second, but I definitely need to get it fixed. I don't even really have to cut the grass anymore after this. We got her cut. I'm not gonna cut back there. Somebody's been chucking rocks and stuff over there. I already hit a rock with it, so that's pretty much it. But this is the yard, guys. Got one neighbor there. They used to have horses when I was a kid. Used to have horses over here. They're building like a dirt bike track over there. There used to be a little garden in here. There's some railroad ties in there. And that's our backyard. There's Kenzie. Find another caterpillar?
No, I got it.
Still got the same one? Here's the place. I like it. It's perfect. I gotta find a spot for that camper. Little fire pit right there. Got the tractor. The Ford tractor. It says it's an Escape, but I think somebody put that badge on there. It's a tractor. Ford tractor SXT. Yeah, I didn't have any luck with this one. Might just make this a little small project. Get that thing fixed up and going. I gotta put a charger on that. And this is our driveway. I'm loving this spot. This is actually my aunt's house. She moved out. We ended up getting it from her, so. What are you doing? Where are you taking Axel? You got a license?
Yeah.
Let me see it.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Hey.
Your license is suspended for stealing dogs. Of course. Yeah, battery was just dead on this one, so this one's good now. Fires right up. This thing's actually pretty fun to ride. We gotta take apart. I gotta take apart this little gearbox of the shifter at some point because it's kind of hard to get in reverse, but I wanna put a winch and a little plow on the front of it and use it for the driveway in the winter, but I gotta replace some CV shafts first. And
the camper door is open.
Alright, well, we got this put over here. Leave it here for the winter. Put some tarps up on top of it, and that's that. I'm gonna go move some more stuff around. Well, did a little bit of cleaning in here today. Move some stuff around. All that stuff's gonna be out of here soon. So pretty much just from there and over is what's going to be in here right now. I still got to go get a bunch of stuff from our old house. Like I said, we're going to build that bench here probably within like the next week or something. I'm do a little bit of it after work every day. I get off work pretty late, so yeah, I hope you guys are kind of excited about what we're gonna have going on here. Gotta fix that. I want to get my truck in here probably somehow. Probably put it on stocks, and depending on whether I want to keep this lift or not. So she's out here right now wounding up the kids. We're getting ready to head off, and where are we going to eat, babe?
T-Dubs.
You, Luke, say what's up, bud. Say hi.
What's up, bud?
Happy.
Yeah. Say what's up, Kens.
See.
Yeah. Before I let you guys go again, I actually think we have some issues with the truck right now. I think I'm having a problem with the CP3. It's doing some weird stuff, so we'll do that and talk about that in the next video. But yep, thanks for watching, guys.